Hello, this is Jeff Nold. I'm going to show you a little app called Twee.com. So if you've not used any AI before, this is a neat little tool that's been put together that can help you with videos. So there's a lot on this site to help with reading and understanding text, learning and practicing new words, drilling some grammar, make some students speak. But for the most part, the main thing I wanted to show was the video, how it can create questions for you for a YouTube video. So when I go into this, all I have to do is paste my video URL. In this case, I'm going to use a video. It's 2.5 minutes long. It's from Nat Geo Kids called How 3D Printers Work. So I just take the URL, copy that, drop it in here, and paste. And click on Do the Magic here, and it'll come up to, right now it's writing out answers or questions from the video link. Okay, and then what I kind of like about this too is it gives you the answers to those questions. So not necessarily going to write the questions for you, but it can give you some ideas or some prompts to write your questions. The only drawback is right now is it is limited to only about 5 minutes of YouTube video time. So like you'd have to extract, like if you're looking for a certain part of it. And so combined with something like a play pause it, this might be a nice way to be able to find some answers and help you out. So a neat little tool. Feel free to explore it. You do have to create an account, but the nice thing is it is free.